morning, everyone. It's our second day here in Puebla City. We got back at around 5 a.m. yesterday after our Cholula bar crawl.
What's Cholula?
The air quote was the bar crawl, not the Cholula bar.
Oh.
Yeah, it's almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon now. We're woke up around 11:30ish. Start getting ready. Now we're gonna go and grab some breakfast.
We got in like at 5 in the morning.
Yeah, so we knew we were gonna be sleeping in. So now we're just gonna go grab some food, walk around, and I think we're gonna try to go to Cholula and do the pyramids today.
So if you look at our last video, it was pretty fun. So if you go to Cholula, start at Container Park. I think that was the most fun.
Yeah. Restaurants popping. Yeah.
So now, it's breakfast time now.
It's
or brunch.
Brunch. Beautiful day. Another beautiful day. And yeah, we're just ready to start the day again.
So, what do you think of Puebla so far?
Not that we haven't really seen too much Puebla. We did mostly. We just kind of walked around and we did a lot of eating actually. So we went to the Mural de Puebla, which was really good.
It's a really nice restaurant.
Yeah. They say it's fancy because it's a little bit more expensive than most places. But it was really good. Our meal ended up only being probably about, was it 2,300 pesos for the 5 of us?
Yeah, it's about like $25 each, which is pricey for Mexico, but I mean.
But for us it wasn't that bad because we had 2 bottles of wine and we all each have our entrees.
And then we had an appetizer we shared.
So yeah, it was really good.
It was really good.
And then we ate tacos after the bar crawl.
Lots of tacos.
We had 30 tacos between 4 people.
Yeah.
5 people.
It's $12 for 30 tacos. It's pretty great.
Yeah.
So
I think it was too much, but at that point I didn't even care. I was just too tired and I want to go home. Anyways, so yeah, let's go explore Puebla.
This is a, I tried getting this yesterday but I couldn't find it. But this is it's called tacos árabes, which is like Arab tacos. Because in the Puebla area there were like Lebanese immigrants. So basically it's a taco but it uses pita bread instead of a tortilla. It's like a local specialty. Let's see how this is. Pretty good. So we got a couple more dishes. We got chilaquiles and a seafood cocktail. So what happened is, the price was really cheap, so we ordered like a couple things. But we didn't know they were going to be like such massive portions. Like the chilaquiles is gigantic. Look at Isaiah's tostada over there.
Here's my cocktail. What is it? Ceviche.
We just got down to the library. That's the Biblioteca Polifoxiana. It's the first public library in all of the Americas, so North and South America.
Yeah, it was built in the 18th century.
Yeah, 18 or 17?
He's 18.
Okay, but yeah, it's a giant like 3-level library with a bunch of old books and everything's like wood and hand carved.
It's really nice.
It's really
I felt
pretty.
like I was like in a Harry Potter movie.
Yeah, it's really cool.
It's really cool. So now we're gonna go to the Gold Church.
It's a Rosary Chapel,
Yeah.
I think. I forgot to tell you exactly in Spanish. But it's like a Baroque style inside. So it's like really ornate and pretty inside. So we're gonna go check that out.
And then after that, we're gonna grab a couple more drinks with our friends before they have to head back to Mexico City. And then send them off.
Yeah. Maybe go to the
Yeah, we don't know.
Estrella de Poblano, the big fair. They have a big observation wheel here.
Yeah, there's a Ferris wheel here, and you know I love Ferris wheel, so hopefully we get to go there tonight.
Yeah. That's it. So before Isaiah leaves and they go back to Mexico City, we are at a mezcaleria. Mezcaleria. With mezcal, and I have a pig foot sandwich because I like trying different things. Got some oranges and some salts for the mezcal. We're just hanging out, having a drink. Oh, it's good lighting actually. It's good.
Alright, so we're on the second night here in Puebla. We're supposed to go out, but we went a little bit too hard last night. So tonight, instead of going out, we're just kind of chilling at the hostel with our also friends back here. Yeah. So we bought a couple of bottles of tequila for what, 200 pesos? Which is like about $12. And yeah, we're just here chilling with some new friends.
Yeah, because our plan is, you know, our plans don't go.
Whatever we say at the beginning of the video, it never happens.
You just ignore that part.
Yeah.
But yeah, we want to go to Cholula and visit the pyramid. And so we have to wake up like pretty early because we fly out tomorrow night. So we're trying to just party here at the hostel and relax and go to bed at a decent time.
And we have to check out tomorrow too, so.
Yeah.
So tomorrow we're gonna do Cholula, pyramid, it's happening.
Yep.
Maybe I should have said that because if you say it, it never happens.
Sometimes it happens.
Okay.
50-50 chance we'll go to.
Like if we say we're gonna eat and drink, that's definitely gonna happen.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, it's gonna happen tomorrow because we have all day tomorrow here. Our flight's at 6 p.m. So yeah, good times.
So we're gonna go back and drink some tequila with these people over there. That's fun.
Yeah. All of them.
Okay.
See you tomorrow.
Yep.